Afternoon guys, it's Lee from UK Angling. With pike season coming on, I thought I'd show you a bit about lure fishing. So I'll just show you a basic setup. I've got just a little travel rod here. It's 30 to 80 gram casting weight. And then on this reel, it's just a basic reel. You don't need up fancy, just as long as it's strong enough to pull it in. I've got 50-pound braid, breaking strain on here on my main line. Some people say it's overkill, but I just don't like losing my lures and things like that. I'll explain further later on in video about that. Right, so at the end of this braid, guys, you want a wire trace. I prefer going straight onto the swivel without having out else in between my main line and my trace. So I'll just go on here, and I prefer to tie using a Palomar knot, which I'll get camera in here and just quickly show you a Palomar knot. Right, a little bit fidgety with braid though. So you get your loop, take your trace, feed that back through that loop, pull it up, wet it a little bit, just to add moisture to the braid so it doesn't be causing any trouble. There we go, that's nice and tight. Get some scissors. Steady my hands, shaky as hell. Don't have to be really neat when it comes to pike, not as finicky as carp. And then that is a rat surface trace, surface lure. Just with snap link, snap that off, and pop that through like that. Right, why I use such a good main line when it comes to my lures, if you hit a tree, I prefer to replace this link with quite a weak link, so all you're losing is your hook every time. If you obviously snag up on trees, instead of losing 15-20 pound lures, it gets expensive, doesn't it guys? But hope you learned something from that video. If you're just getting out piking, always remember to take somebody out experienced with you. They are quite delicate fish, you need to know what you're doing when you're returning them. But hope you're good, have a good afternoon guys, and stay safe. Thanks a lot.